Hello everyone, this is Dr. Drhumaibrar. I wish you all a good day and especially best wishes for your upcoming exam. So those who are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon, as this channel is all about prometric exam guidance and prometric exam material. So after posting my previous video about experience letter and requirements of it, I received many mails and messages about similar issues, and mostly were regarding designation in experience letter. So most of you have gathered experience of lecturer, and I really feel very bad because you all were unaware of it and no one was talking about this issue before. And as you all know, everyone is asking for consultation fee to even guide a single word. So as you all requested for perfect sample of experience letter, here I am to share a perfect sample of experience letter that the Dataflow accepts. You all can take a screenshot of it. Take a screenshot of it. Okay, so here you can see a reference number. Above there is the reference number. That is also important. Then come towards date. It's also important. Full name, CNIC number. That is not much important. And then come towards designation, most important one. And then come towards start to end date. And the fourth one is about you may or may not mention about PEPTA. It's not necessary because some countries accept PEPTA license and some are not accepting PEPTA license. As DHA, MOH are accepting PEPTA license, while HARD and Saudi license exam are not accepting PEPTA license. So it's not necessary to mention a Physical Therapy Association registration number. So then come towards your work areas or specialty of work, and at last name of the person who has issued your letter with stamp and sign. So this is the perfect sample of experience letter that the Dataflow accepts. So make sure to prepare your proper experience letter to avoid any issues further in future. Thank you everyone, and God bless you.